gentlemen, it's a stinking hot day here at Phillip Island. I've got warning lights all over my dashboard, but this is what driving around Phillip Island is like in 300 horsepower of MX-5 Miata goodness, down the main straight up to somewhere around 240 k's an hour. Keep it left, jump on the brakes, turn into turn one, use that aero to pull us around the corner, just about run out of road, slam on the brakes for second turn, drop it down to fourth, drift out to about mid-corner, try and bring the car back around to the left. I've not quite got my inside apex here. Right out to the curb on the exit, try and get fifth. That's third, there's fifth. We've got a NA MX-5 ahead of us, which will come across pretty quickly. Around we go, jump on the brakes, turn four. Just about made it. Bit of a late apex there, but that's all right. Where are we going? We'll go inside here. Third gear. Normally I'd take this in fourth, but we had to slow a bit extra because of that car. I'm out of breath already. We've only done half a lap. All right, up to fifth. We'll hold it in fifth as we come up towards this crest here. Brake and just lift off the brakes as we come through the corner. We crest and the car becomes a little bit light under the wheel. Down to third. Just clip the inside edge here. He didn't leave us room. Yes, he did. I think we scared him over. That was perhaps a little bit greedy, but I was ready to brake if I had to. Back up to fifth. Final turn. This is a full noise corner. Make the aero do the work, get us around the corner. The car's got 120 degrees centigrade on the oil temp and 108 on coolant temp. She is running on hot. Maybe one more lap. Brake into turn one, holy shit. And we've run out of juice. The car's getting too hot. She's not happy when she gets hot. Okay, I'm gonna back off. I've been Brendan Beavis in the Beavis Motorsport MX-5. She may not be much, but I made it myself, and that's kind of cool. 300 horsepower VVT motor, a bit of homemade DIY aero, some sticky tyres, and she's one of the fastest things around this racetrack, short of a real proper race car. But it's a bit hot today, so I can only get a couple of laps out of it before it sort of packs it in. Temps get too high, ECU kicks in and goes, nah, I'm not giving you any more, sorry mate. So we've got to back off. And to be fair, I'm pretty cooked too, so. By the way, been running the electronic power steering in this car today, and it's absolutely marvellous. It's not overly powerful, it's not numbing to the steering. I can still feel what's going on, but I'm not wrestling a gorilla to get around corners. Right, here we go, one more lap. Sixth gear. Couple of cool down laps there. Hopefully got us this lap in without overcooking things. Hard on the brakes, turn in. God, she grips. Brake late here. Now! Fourth. I know what's going on. Second turn, fourth gear. That's what I meant. And right out to the exit. Come on, come on, come on. Shift. Yes, we've got a clean shift. Hold it in fifth here. Stop! God, she's not stopping. Just. Ease on the power. Come on, come on, come on. Grip, grip. No, that's not grip. That's slide. Okay. Fourth gear. Come on, turn, 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 turn. Yes. Full throttle. spacious room, thank you. Lost a bit of time there, but that's okay. At least it was clean. Final corner. My head's feeling heavy. I gotta lean against the roll bar. Full throttle. Checkered flag. Give me away, thank you. And just as we cross the line, the engine goes, "I'm too hot. What are you doing, you bastard?" Jesus Christ. What's the point of going to the gym? Just drive an MX-5. Rightio, if the video all worked, because it's always a bit of a contentious feeling of whether or not I can actually get recordings to work, but if the video worked, that's been a few laps of a Phillip Island Grand Prix circuit, Melbourne, Australia, in my Mazda MX-5. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to go and have a beverage. We'll see you next time.